Alright, so we made it to the track. Mr. JD's ready to rock. So I think what we're going to do is take the C5 out on the oval because A-Class doesn't drive till 7, which it'll be dark by then. But we're going to do some, what are we doing, data logging and then maybe some changes on the track as well. So I figure we've just done pulls in 3rd gear, so we're going to get over there on the pro track and do a full pull and make some changes based on whatever he sees. And then he's going to do some driving. It's going to be sick, so.
Excited.
All right, we're getting ready to go out on the oval. Mr. JD in the passenger seat, checking out some of the sauce. Let's rip it. Yeah, so the yellow cone is where you'll initiate. Watch out for the water. Alright, so now try the same thing over there. Be on throttle when you transition, so not yet. There you go. So you gotta watch out for this grate.
Yeah.
Alright, back up.
I'm getting too fidgety.
Yeah, and when you turn, oh, there might be a cone. Go to the right. Yeah, fuck it, fine. Go over there. Not yet. Do it after this cone. All right, hit it. Go ahead and
hell yeah.
get her off. Hell yeah. That feels good.
I tried.
Oh yeah. So notice how the active handling.
Yeah. We're going backwards.
Yeah. Nice job for your first time.
What's up, everyone? So I just put a lap in with JD passenger, and then he returned the favor. First time drifting officially ever, right? Like at a track. He's messed around in his Subaru and stuff, so he definitely has the skill set needed. We were focusing on transitions, and it's completely different understanding what to do versus actually applying it. But I think he did an awesome job. What's your initial impression?
Initial impression is just need seat time.
Yep.
Just need to learn how to control the car and seat time.
He's hooked though.
Yeah,
so,
I'm hooked.
Yep.
He's trying to run the adrenaline out of my system right now.
Yeah. So he again is the one. He already tuned this car. Awesome street tune. He's gonna tune this car when we get. Oh, that's nasty. Who pointed that? Wild. I didn't know she was bringing that out here. But we're throwing some more power outers at this, and he's going to tune it and help with doing the work on that. So really excited to have him on the team. He's having an awesome time down in Florida, and that's what it's all about. So now is A-Class. I'm going to go out in the Camaro. Hopefully I can find some friends to tandem with, because that's where I find the most fun. But let's just jump back into the action. All right, so JD's about to go out in the Corvette. We've been ripping. We took his girlfriend for a ride along. We took JD for a ride along. We had like 4 or 5 car tandems. I'm not sure how the footage will come out because it's kind of dark. But we might run the pro layout one more time in the Corvette. He's gonna practice the fundamentals. He's doing awesome for his first time driving. He definitely has a natural skill set. All he's gotta do is just build on that, and that's seat time. So we're gonna let him do a couple of solo laps. He's actually taking a passenger, and I'm gonna give him feedback from outside the car. And then I'll probably jump in the car and run the pro layout again. So let's jump back into the action.